Guys, good morning guys. We will make calamay mais. So I do have corn with gata. So imimix natin para lumapot ay para magdurog. So ito na ang ating corn. Yan. Corn. We have our gata. Yan, gata. Bali 1 can ito. 1 can. We have our brown sugar. Okay. A pinch of salt. Our 1 cup of glutinous rice flour. Then a few drops of langka flavoring. Yan. Drops lang. Yan. Pampakulay yan eh. Okay. Okay, let's mix. Okay, meron tayong latik dito. Yan, medyo na. So, ito yung ating gagawin paglalagyan. So, pahidan nyo lang ng latik yan. Ng oil, coconut oil. Sa ilalim. Then, ibuhos nyo yung inyong mixture. Salain nyo muna. Okay. So, ayan na guys. Steam natin for an hour. Then, let's check later.